Just be quiet.
She has some good moves going over there.
Oh, you missed the entire half time? Oh, I find it to be wonderful because I don't want the Niners to win. No, I don't want the Niners to win. Um, because I want Ray Ray to go out in a blaze of glory.
You're a good dancer, Maggie.
I don't think they got the chops to do that, but you're right, he was totally overmatched. I mean, Flacco was playing out of his wood.